Most people believe soaking chia seeds is one of the easiest health habits in the world. Just add water, wait a few minutes, drink it, and you're done. But according to longevity experts, and especially doctors who study aging, this simple habit is where over 90% of people get it wrong. Particularly adults over 50 who use chia seeds for digestion, energy, or weight control. If you've ever said, "I drink chia water every morning, but I still feel bloated," or "I added chia seeds, but I don't feel any real benefit," you're not alone. And here's the surprising truth: it's not the chia seeds causing the problem. It's one small mistake in how they're soaked, prepared, or stored, often without you even realizing it. In traditional longevity cultures, especially in Japan and among the Aztecs, seeds like chia were never treated casually. They were rinsed, soaked with intention, and consumed at the right time to support digestion and circulation. Today, many people rush the process, use the wrong liquid, skip critical steps, or store soaked chia incorrectly. Mistakes that can quietly cancel out omega-3 benefits, reduce fiber absorption, and even worsen bloating and aging digestive systems. In this video, we're going to walk you through the 5 most common mistakes people make when soaking chia seeds, explain why these mistakes affect older bodies more strongly, and show you exactly how to prepare chia seeds the right way so they truly support digestion, hydration, and metabolic health. Stay with us until the end because we'll also share a simple adjustment you can try for just a few days that many people say made a noticeable difference almost immediately. If you've ever used chia seeds or plan to, this information could completely change how your body responds to them. Mistake number 1, not soaking long enough or not soaking at all. This is the most common and most damaging mistake, especially after age 50. Many people sprinkle dried chia seeds directly onto yogurt, oatmeal, or toss them into a smoothie and drink it immediately. It feels convenient, but biologically, this is a disaster. Chia seeds are designed to absorb liquid slowly. When they come into contact with water, they form a gel-like coating called mucilage. This process does not happen instantly. It takes at least 30 minutes, and ideally up to 2 hours, for the seeds to fully hydrate and form that protective barrier. When chia seeds are eaten dry, they continue swelling inside your digestive tract. For adults over 50, this leads to abdominal pressure and a feeling that food is just sitting in the gut. In sensitive individuals, undersoaked chia can even irritate the gut lining. From a physiological standpoint, this is risky. Your stomach acid is lower, and your gut movement is slower. Sending dry, absorbent seeds into that environment is like placing sponges where they don't belong. Instead of soothing digestion, they compete with your body for water. There is even a safety concern. Because they expand so much, consuming them dry has been associated with esophageal blockage in rare cases, a risk higher in older adults with reduced swallowing reflexes. Mistake number 2, using the wrong liquid, especially cold or chlorinated water. Many adults soak chia seeds using cold water from the fridge or untreated tap water. But for chia seeds, the temperature and quality of the liquid matter deeply. Chia seeds contain enzymes and soluble fibers that activate only under specific conditions. When soaked in very cold water, the hydration process slows dramatically. The seeds may look swollen on the outside, but internally they remain inactivated. This leads to uneven gel formation, making the seeds harder to digest. Chlorinated tap water introduces another problem. Chlorine is designed to kill bacteria, but it also disrupts the delicate plant compounds and the mucilage layer of the seed. The result is a weak, unstable gel that fails to protect your digestive system. Longevity experts suggest using filtered, slightly warm water, around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Warm water mimics the body's natural environment, allowing the seed to hydrate evenly and gently. This also ensures that the delicate omega-3 fatty acids are preserved and ready for absorption. Mistake number 3, skipping the rinse. Most people scoop chia seeds straight from the bag into water. But chia seeds are agricultural products. Their tiny size makes them magnets for fine dust, husk fragments, and microscopic residues from processing facilities. As we age, the digestive system becomes less forgiving. Small irritants that once passed unnoticed can now trigger low-grade inflammation. When unrinsed seeds are soaked, those residues disperse into the gel and go straight into your gut. Over time, this contributes to irritation. Rinsing also improves hydration quality. When you rinse chia seeds in a fine mesh strainer for 30 seconds, you prime the outer layer to absorb water more effectively. The gel becomes clearer, smoother, and much easier for an aging gut to tolerate. Many people who think they are allergic to chia are actually just reacting to the dust and debris on the seeds. Mistake number 4, soaking chia seeds directly in milk, sweeteners, or fat-based liquids. This is a huge mistake made by those making overnight oats or chia pudding. Chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they are designed to seek out and absorb water first. That initial contact with plain water is what activates the medicinal mucilage. When you introduce milk, which contains fats and proteins, or honey, which contains sugars, too early, those compounds coat the outer shell of the seed. This creates a waterproof barrier that prevents the water from penetrating the seed core. The result is a partially hydrated seed that remains hard in the middle. For a 50-year-old digestive system, this is a heavy burden. Partially soaked chia increases the likelihood of bloating and delayed gastric emptying. Furthermore, adding sugars during the soaking phase can increase oxidative stress on the delicate omega-3 fats inside the seed. The rule is simple: soak in plain water first for 30 minutes to create the gel, then add your milk or flavors once the activation is complete. Mistake number 5: storing soaked chia seeds too long or improperly. Once chia seeds absorb water, they become highly perishable. The gel is rich in omega-3 fats, soluble fiber, and plant proteins, nutrients that are extremely sensitive to air, light, and time. Omega-3 fats oxidize quickly once the seed is opened and hydrated. When oxidation happens, these fats lose their anti-inflammatory properties and can actually promote inflammation in the body. For someone over 50, whose liver and immune system are already working harder, even mild spoilage can trigger joint stiffness, fatigue, or brain fog. Signs of spoilage are subtle: a faint sour smell or a texture that is overly slimy rather than clean. Never leave soaked chia at room temperature, it accelerates bacterial growth. Always store them in an airtight glass container, not plastic, and use them within 24 to 48 hours. Beyond 2 days, the nutritional quality drops significantly, and the risk of digestive distress rises. Chia seeds are not just a trend, they are a biological tool. When treated with respect and prepared with intention, they provide steady energy, calm digestion, and heart-healthy fats. The bloating or discomfort you may have felt isn't because chia seeds are bad for you, it's because your body was asking for a better preparation method. For the next 3 days, try this gold standard method. Observe how your body feels, notice the lightness in your stomach and the stability in your energy levels. If this information changed your perspective, leave a 1 in the comments. Let us know which mistake you were making. Your health is built on these small, intentional habits.